This one says solve for A. Again, it's asking what value of A will make this a true statement. Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Be careful, though, because some students may even just put 35 just unwittingly, but that will give you a false statement, actually. So be careful on that. This one, the last several that we've done have required only one principle of equality. This one's going to require two. Now be careful because we're going to drop the A term here, but it's not just an A that we're dropping. Remember that each of the terms takes the operation to its left. So we're actually dropping this as negative A. So I want this to be negative A equals something, meaning the negative 7 here, it has to go. I need to make it go away. I need it to be something that I can ignore, like 0. And again, why is this 0? Because it's not being multiplied or divided. So I'm going to make it a 0 by adding 7. That's the easiest way I know how to make negative 7 0. So if I do it to one side, though, I got to do it the other side. Okay, so 28 plus 7 would be 35. And negative 7 plus 7 is 0. Now I said the answer is not 35. It's not. This is not complete because in the end, at the very end of this, what we really need is A equals something, not negative A. In fact, from what we learned last time, there is a coefficient with this negative A, and it is a phantom 1. So it's really 35 equals negative 1A. What I need to do right here is to take that negative 1 and make it a 1. Positive 1, negative to positive. How do you make a negative 1 a positive 1? Same way we've been doing with all the other values, simply divide it by itself. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 is 1, which we've shown here, but negative 35 divided by negative 1, you can put that in the calculator, you will get negative 35. So let's check. Let's see what happens if I take that A and replace it with negative 35. Will I, in fact, get a true statement? In my calculator, I type in negative 7 minus negative, remember you're using different buttons there, negative 7 minus negative 35, and I do get 28. That makes it a true statement. So I know now that I can box this in because it is my solution. It makes the equation true if I replace the A with negative 35.